And we are not live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lur business page, and now a proud digital business owner. What if you could decide what time you wake up, when you take a break, and how you will spend your day without asking anyone for permission? Today, I will share why controlling your time isn't just a luxury, it's a life changer. So, tonight's episode is recorded because, well, I have something else on today, but I didn't want you to miss this. We're talking about something I believe is one of the most valuable gifts we can give to ourselves, which is time freedom. Time freedom isn't just about having a lazy afternoon, it's about control over your schedule, being present with your family, having the space to enjoy life without constantly checking the clock. So, when I was working in Singapore, I used to dream of days where I could plan my schedule without waiting for approvals, without worrying about overtime or missing important family moments. And then I started my own business. At first, it was challenging, but the reward, I finally get to design my day around what matters most. I could join my kids for a meal without rushing. I could carve out a morning of self-care or attend events I love. Ang saya ng feeling na hindi ka alipin ng oras ng ibang tao. It wasn't magic, but it was making a choice to start, even when it felt uncertain. Every small step I took then built the life I have now. So here's the truth. The earlier you start, the faster you gain that freedom. The longer you wait, the more life passes while you are stuck in someone else's schedule. But when you take control now, even in small ways, you are planting seeds for a future where work serves you, not the other way around. So tonight, think about this. What's one small action you can take today to claim more time for what matters most? Maybe it's starting your side business, organizing your day differently, or learning a new skill that gives you options. Every step matters. Remember, time freedom is possible, but it starts with you deciding to take control today. So don't wait for someday. Start small, start now, and watch how your life begins to feel lighter, richer, and truly yours. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. So if you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.